Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Apple AirTag. So this is how big it is. So these are selling for 30 something pounds on Apple. On Amazon you can get it for 28 pounds, but I got it for 23 pounds on Amazon. Brand new, because they had a £5 off voucher. So yeah, it's not bad. So this is what it is. So what do you use for this? It's like a tracker. So the battery on this lasts just over a year, just slightly over a year, but call it minimum a year. So yeah, what do you get? Let's see. So you need a Apple device with the latest software, iCloud account. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and open this. Hopefully I can do it without destroying everything. Oh, they got sticky glue on it. Can you see it's like a yellowy? Bloody hell. Okay, that went to Africa. Bloody hell. Yeah. Right. Can you see how sticky the glue is? Bloody hell, look at that. It's them 3M style, not 3M. The worst ones. The ones that are even worse than this. Bloody hell. Fuck yeah. Do you know the ones that hold SIM card with? Them ones. They're bloody well hard to open. Come on. That didn't work, did it? Yeah. At this rate, I might as well break the box. That is well sticky. So yeah, I have to butcher this, guys. Let's do the bottom way. Oh, I'm doing all this work at the top when they are bloody pull tab right there. Thank you, Apple. Very nice of you. Oh, I do like that though. That's a nice feeling. Look at that. Ready, guys? Bam. Whoosh. There you go, guys. And then you got pull tab. Wow. AirTag. Boom bucklet. What else is in there? Let's have a look. I think they might give you stickers or something. Let's see. Manual and the stickers maybe. There's your warranty. FCC compliance. Safety and how to use the battery. Oh, you can replace the battery on this. To replace the battery, push the battery compartment, then turn clockwise. Remove the door, remove the battery. Oh, so you only have to actually ever buy one. You can always replace the battery after 1 year, which is not bad then. That's quite cheap for a tracker, a GPS tracker. So yeah, here's the AirTag itself. Wow. So update your thing to the latest iOS. Turn on your Bluetooth and then pull the tab. So there's the tab there. So I'm not going to pull the tab yet, just because I'm not going to use it yet. So I'm just going to leave it as is for now. So yeah, so this is how you connect. Install the app, install the latest iOS, turn your Bluetooth on, pull this tab, and then hold near the device and follow the screen. Okay, nothing else on the back. So yeah, that's the device itself. It's quite tiny. It's small enough that you can hide it basically, and there's different tools to hide it. So this one probably going to put on a bike. You got different tools, so you can hide it in the behind the seat. You can hide it in other places. There's many places you can hide it. There's different devices out there as well that you can buy and attach on, and it's hidden. That's how you keep your bike safe. That's how you keep other things safe. You put this in your car, or if you're an FBI agent, you can track someone else with this, you know. So yeah, it's a cool device. 1 year, but 1 year battery life as well, and you can replace the battery. I wasn't expecting that you could replace it because it was an Apple device. Apple notorious for not letting you repair your own devices and stuff. So yeah, that's a good feature of the Apple thing. So that's not bad. Probably gonna buy some more then. That's not bad then. And that £23 is decent. One-off cost. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.